Hi guys, my name is Kami and welcome to another vlog on my channel. Today we are going to do a little bit of an unboxing. I've got some yarn. Right here is a package that I'm going to open and show you what I got. It's huge, by the way. It's almost 2 kilos, so I got some good stuff. I've got my handy dandy broken scissors. So before we get to the yarns I want to kind of explain why I ordered more yarn, because I have so much of the yarn. I'll insert the footage here of my current stash. I've got a lot, okay? You know how when you order yarn online or anything really, most shops give you like an amount of money you have to spend in order for them to cover the shipping for you, so you don't pay for shipping. Yeah, this is pretty much what happened now. I got an order for a dog sweater. I needed to order yarn for that dog sweater, which with shipping and everything would be around 10 euros, but then I was like, oh, I actually need some more colors of this yarn for another project. But then I was looking at the price in my cart and everything was around 20 something euros, so I'm like, oh, it's a big order. Big-ish. If I just add a little bit more, I'll get free shipping, and the free shipping happened to be at the 55 euro price point, and the shipping is 4 euros, which means extra skein or 2, or the shipping cost. Might as well just make a big order, right? So they got me. This is how we ended up here, and I'm just going to show you what I got. This haul is going to be mostly single skeins of yarns that I just wanted to try out and see what I like and what I do not. And first up we have some acrylic. This is Nako Vega Stripe. Also, if I'm pronouncing any of the names wrong, sorry. And this is 100% premium acrylic, and I got it because I want to make some beanies since it's the end of October, and yeah, it's a beanie season, so we got a lot of beanie yarns. And I think one skein should be enough for a beanie. It's I can't find how much there is. Oh, it's 100 grams, 195 meters, so it's pretty good, pretty nice. Next up we have some chenille, and this is Alize Baby Softy Mega. I already have softy yarn, which actually I got right here, so I can show you. This is what the regular softy looks like, and this is the mega one, so it's obviously a different weight, it's bigger, and I want to try to make some scrunchies with it, or maybe some keychains. I'm really into amigurumi lately, so I've been purchasing a lot of chenilles, faux furs, and plushy yarns like this one, so that's very exciting. The colorway of this one is 416. I mentioned it in one of my TikToks that I don't understand why European yarn brands just don't name their colors. They're just like numbers, like robots. It's like, that's one thing I like about the American brands of yarn. I like the naming. It's very creative, and it's also easier to describe, like, oh, this is a bag that I made and this is in color kelp. Instead of saying, oh, this is the bag I made, it's in color 4622. Anyway, next yarn! We've got natural cotton in this very pretty purple shade. I'm pretty sure I got it in a few colors, and this is, I think, very close to weight 4 yarn. It's from Diva, and yeah, it's a very pretty 100% cotton yarn, which I will most likely use to make market bags or tops or honestly anything. I love cotton yarn, so I'm definitely going to be using that. Also, I should probably mention I have no clue what I ordered. I literally forgot everything because I was just adding stuff. It's a surprise for me as much as it is for you as of what I ordered. And here we have another natural cotton. It's the same yarn as this one. I got it in red as well, and there's probably more of this one in particular because it was pretty cheap. Next one, another beanie yarn. It's another Nako Vega Stripe. I believe it's the same as this one. Yeah, it's just a different color. This is I think striping yarn. Yeah, it looks like striping. Both of them are striping. Blue and white, so that kind of stuff. Very nice. It's very soft actually. Like, actually, sometimes acrylic yarns can be a little bit rough, but these are very soft. It's my first time ordering these, so very exciting to try them out. It's very exciting. Yeah. Next up, we have a little package within a package. It's a packageception. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of Alize Birkin Batik. Again, if I'm mispronouncing it, I'm sorry, I think it's in Turkish. And I got so much of this yarn because I am actually making a cardigan for my boyfriend and it's almost finished. All I have to get done is add the sleeves and a hood and some other stuff, maybe pockets. So I'll make sure to let you know how that goes. And the yarn that actually inspired this entire order that I placed is another Alize Birkin batik. There's more, but the one in question is the pink one right here. This yarn is a very nice acrylic. It's one of the better ones, again. Not as soft as this Nako one, but it's still very good. And this is what I'm going to use for the dog sweater that I got the order for. Here's another one of this gray scale black and white yarn that I got here. So I actually got 6 of those, so that's good to know. And these are the other colors. There's the pink one that I'm going to make the dog sweater with, and this purple lavender. Very pretty. I am actually obsessed with these. They're so pretty. So yeah, that's Alize Birkin batik, 100% acrylic. Very nice yarn. What's next? What's next? What's next? Another Nako Vega stripe. Vega, Veja. This is very pretty as well, but honestly I'm repeating myself. Every yarn is pretty. Obviously I wouldn't order it if I didn't think it was pretty, duh. So here it is, and here it is with all the other Naka yarns, which I don't remember if I got more, but this is what we got so far. Next we have Dolce Baby from Yarn Art. This is kind of the same story as this fluffy yarn that I showed you at the beginning of this unboxing. I have Dolce Baby, not baby, I have regular Dolce. I've used it before. I usually make scrunchies with this yarn and some small amigurumis. And I just wanted to see how the smaller version of this yarn will work out. So I got this. I'm pretty sure I got a few colors of this yarn, and it says that this yarn is 50 grams, 85 meters, 100% polyester, and it's weight 4. So that's actually very thin for chenille. There's another one of the same yarn, Dolce Baby from Yarn Art, and this color is nice orange. Very nice for pumpkins, if you know what I'm saying. It's October, so we will make some pumpkins with it, most likely. Next up is another natural cotton from Diva, and this color is a very pretty lavender. These are all the Divas that I unpacked so far. And yet another one, natural cotton from Diva. This is a very nice pale pink. And these are all the Divas. Honestly, I think those are very pretty. They go together very nicely. Good job to past me for picking those colors. Very nice, very nice. Here we got another chenille. This time it's Alize Veludo. Soft and bright. It's 100 grams and 68 meters. That's actually not a lot. Usually 100 grams of chenille gives you like 120 meters. I'm actually surprised this is only 70. But again, same story. I just bought it, just one skein, just to try it out, because I'm trying to figure out what I like and what I don't. Also, this color is so good. Like, imagine scrunchie in this color. We're cooking something. Next, Alize Birkin Classic. I have never used this yarn before, but I'm pretty sure that it's the exact same yarn as the Birkin Batik, but the Birkin Batik is colorful, striping, or variegated, and the Birkin Classic seems to be just like solid color, but it's the same yarn. So I just got it to try it out. It was a little bit cheaper than this one, but everything else about this yarn is the same. It's 100 grams, 210 meters, and I got this tan color just to tame down my haul because all the colors are crazy pretty much, other than this one, or maybe there are some more neutrals in the bag, we'll see. But another yarn that I want to use for a beanie. So if you're looking for a nice neutral tan beige beanie, you can head over to my Etsy shop, because chances are I've already made it by the time this video is out on YouTube, so you can just, you know, see if you like it. Maybe you'll get something. Shameless plug. Sorry. Next one is another Birkin Batik, and this is nice. Someone count in the comments how many times I said nice in this video. There's gonna be a lot. But this is a washed jean blue colorway. It has a little bit of gray in it, a little bit of teal, a little bit of white. So again, beanie yarn or a sweater yarn, like a dog sweater, but for a very small dog. Ooh, this is fun. Okay, this is another Alize Softy. It's Softy Plus, and I hope the camera will pick it up, but it's like unicorn iridescent kind of vibes yarn. It's shades of pink, blue, and cream, and it's so nice. It's going to make amazing scrunchies. And actually, hold on. Okay, I thought those were like the same kind of yarn, but one is mega and one is plus. So you can probably see one of them is much thicker than the other one. I thought they would be the same. I thought both of them would be this like thick yarn, but I guess next time I'll do some more research. But I think it's still nice. I'll just have to work it double-stranded to make it scrunchy, I think. But it's still good. I like it. And last but not least, we got another Dolce Baby from Yarn Art. So that would make the third one of this yarn that I got, and I think you can tell where I was going with this color choice. Very Halloween, very summer, very demure. So yeah, that's what 55 years worth of yarn looks like in Greece. I got all of these yarns from a shop. It isn't like a chain, it's just like a Greek yarn shop. It's called Tanimata. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description. Not sponsored. I wish it was though. But yeah, very exciting for all of these. So to summarize for you, we've got 3 Dolce Baby, 1 Soft Baby Plus, 1 Soft Baby Mega, 4 of Natural Cotton from Diva, 1 Veludo Batik Classic, 3 Nako Vega Stripe, and what we got most of is Alize Birkin Batik, which contains of 6 in the colorway 1900, 1 teal and grey, 1 purple, and 3 pink ones for the order. But I'm pretty sure I'll have some left over after I made the sweater, so probably it's gonna make a beanie as well. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing that I presented to you, and now on with the vlog. I would also like to show you my whips that I have going on at the moment, and unfortunately or fortunately there's quite a bit of them. First up, we've got this little vast top, tank top thing that is going to look cute I think when I finish it. So I'm actually writing a pattern for this top, and I am using, come here, I'm using these cakes over here for this top. So I hope I have enough, and if you've seen one of my reels, I actually used this yarn for another project before, and long story short, I made a top with this yarn. It came out see-through, I didn't like it, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna do it again, but this time I'm going to double strand the yarn so it looks the way it should, the way it's supposed to. So what I did is I caked it up double stranded, and what I'm doing now is I am crocheting this top, and I need this yarn to be single stranded. So what I'm doing is just separating it into 2 separate strands again, so I can crochet with it single stranded. So I am undoing what I've done in the past, which is annoying because this yarn loves to tangle, but oh well, we learn, I guess. So this is the situation with this top. I am crocheting it with a 2.5mm crochet hook, so you can imagine how long it takes to finish this. But yeah, I think it will be very nice. So stay tuned if you want to see pattern, because you know, it's cute. Next whip we have going on at the moment is in this little box, and I am using Madame Tricot acrylic yarn because I've got quite a bit of that, and here's what it's looking like. It's going to be a cardigan or a hoodie or a jacket. It's going to be something, okay? And the chevron stitch tutorial that I used to make this is from Tony from TL Yarn Crafts. I will link that tutorial in the description of this video because why not? She's cute, she's huge, she's got pockets, we love her, and I am at the point where I need to start crocheting the sleeves. So a sleeve island, if you will. But pretty sure I'm going to finish it. So this is what we've got now. I don't know what's the best way to show you, but yeah, that's one of the whips. Hopefully this part will make like a collar. It will be part of the hood that, so it will like, you know, fold like this, and then the hood will come from that collar part. I don't know if I'm making sense, but again, I am taking notes as I am crocheting this, so it might become pattern release later, but I am actually not sure about this one because I am, to be honest, quite confused with my own work on this one. It's been a challenge and a struggle and many hours of frogging and recrocheting. Is it even a word to recrochet something? But yeah, this is another whip. Other than that, I've been also working on my temperature blanket, on which I am very much so behind. I am currently at the end of June and we're in the middle of October, so yeah, I gotta get that going. And we also got this little box that was creeping in for the entire video. It was hiding over here waiting for its turn. And it's a bunch of yarn. All of it is yarn art jeans in mostly grayscale colors, a little bit of pinks and blues here and there. And this is the WIP itself. It's 250 stitches across, it's only single crochets, and it's taking flipping forever. I think I'm at like row 40 something, 45, 46. Oh gosh, and I spent already like 8 hours or 7 hours working on this. I'm timing myself because I'm really curious how much longer this is going to take, because this is a very ambitious project. I am crocheting my boyfriend a giant blanket with a car. Yeah, of all things he could ask me to crochet on his blanket, he asked for a car. So this is the picture of the car, and this is a picture of the stitch fiddle chart that I came up with of that car that will be in this blanket. And it's 250 stitches across of single crochets with a 3.5mm crochet hook. Yeah, we're on for a ride with this one, guys. It's going to take forever, but it's going to be so cool. He actually saw a TikTok of someone crocheting a similar car or just showing off their finished project, and he just asked me, can you make it? And me being the crazy bitch that I am, I was like, sure, I'm gonna make it for you. Yeah, I am surely not going to regret this decision later, but oh well. I got all the yarn, so I think I ordered about 15 skeins for this project, and I already used up 2. This is the 3rd one, and I'm just doing like the border part that's going to be around, so not around, more like on the top and on the bottom of the car. So the goal is to get it finished by the end of November. It's now, I think, 19th of October, so we've got over a month. I think I can do this. We'll see. And I've also got a few more WIPs going around. I am keeping track of all the scrunchies I make this month, so that's one of the WIPs that I have going on over on my Revelry. I always pronounce it wrong. Sorry about that. Another WIP that I've been working on recently is a little amigurumi shock. I will put a picture somewhere on the screen. And what I am actually working on today is this little market bag. I am about halfway done with the mesh stitch, and I think it's turning out pretty cool. To make this bag, I am using a double-stranded yarn art ideal yarn, which you've got the name on the screen. So yeah, I will keep working on this today, and I think that's it when it comes to today's video. I am going to try to vlog a little bit more and maybe post it in another video, but today I just wanted to kind of introduce you to my WIPs and show you what yarn I got. So if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, give a like, maybe leave a comment. Check the links in the description. As always, I am on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Etsy, Revelry, everywhere. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Look at all of that, guys. Oh, so much. Whew.